Hey there crew, it's Mark from MenWhoBullet. Thanks for hanging out with me today as we put on probably one of the fastest weekly spreads I will ever do. I just feel very minimal today, and so I thought I would go with a very minimal approach for this week. So if you do need any supplies, I'm going to recommend a pencil. It's a really cool mechanical pencil that looks like a real pencil. Love that. A ruler and a pen. That's all you're going to need today. What I did is I just split my page up into 3 rows here and then save the outside areas here for some daily notes. That's what I'm going to be doing throughout this week. So nice and easy. This is in a B5 Archer and Olive dot grid notebook. So if you are in the same size, I'm just going to be using this layout over here. So it's going to be 14 squares, and then I'm skipping 2 in between to add this line, but it really kind of equals out to be about 15 each as you go all the way down, similar to what we would have right about here. I'm just leaving that extra space for just a nice like open visual line. Leaving some space in between these 2 sections here. You can create whatever amount of space you feel like you're going to need. But what I did is I saved 11 spaces here on the left and 11 spaces on the right. And then we have about 3 in between here. So if you're looking to create the same exact thing, that's how everything looks. But if you're not, give yourself whatever writing space you need on the left and the right. And then you kind of fill in the center parts here. So without further ado, let's fill in our lines and take a look at how everything's going to look in just a minute or two, because let's speed this up. Nothing like a 6-line weekly spread. What I'm going to do is the most extravagant thing that I'm going to do today is going to be the lettering over here for each of the days of the weeks and the date. I've turned my page sideways. This is real wild stuff today, friends. I hope that you're really prepared for this. So what I've done is, starting here at the top, I've just put in my day of the week. So it's going to be for Monday the 1st. Gotta love that August the 1st this past week was on a Monday. You can't beat that. And I just went down my page for Tuesday, Wednesday, and then over on this side here, what I did is I just kept it with a Thursday, a Friday, and then I kept, instead of doing a weekend, I just kept this for my next week. I did that in my previous week, and I really liked it. So we're going to continue along with that. So let's go ahead and get these dates and these days in here. Well, my friends, you don't get much simpler than that. I told you it was going to be a quick one today. These don't always have to be crazy to be super productive. I have a whole section for overviews, task and notes on the right hand sides. If you want, I probably might add a little bit of something in here. You can certainly add the titles in here if you need to, but the rest of this week is all about productivity. I like to have that overview on my page and my space for my daily logging as well. So this really kind of touches on both of those things that I need. And all I needed really was a pen. So pretty awesome. Thanks crew for hanging out. Nice and quick and sweet, and I hope this could work out for you. I'll talk to you later. See ya.